National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for northern Campbell County in eastern Tennessee, northeastern Scott County in eastern Tennessee until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Blue Heron, or near Whitley City, and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. In addition, this storm has had a history of producing up to golf ball-sized hail in southeast Kentucky. Locations impacted include La Follette, Anita, Jellicoe, Winfield, Indian Mountain State Park, Elk Valley, and Ketchum. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Campbell, Tennessee; a severe thunder